So today we are going to discuss about simple equations. First, before going to simple equation, I would like to discuss key equation. What do you mean by equation? Equation, as the name suggests, it comes from these equal. So it is always have equality sign in it. That means equal sign it. तो सिंपल इक्वेशंस के अंदर इक्वल साइन जरूर होगा. That sign will represent that something is equal to something. And now we will discuss that what is something. The equality sign shows that the value of expression to the left of the sign, that is LHS, is equal to the right of the sign. That means if we are saying something is equal to the something, then left of the sign is this will be termed as left hand side is equal to the right hand side, and at least one of the two expressions must contain a variable. As we have seen that algebraic expression contains two components, that is constants and variables. तो LHS या RHS दोनों में से किसी भी जगह पे देयर शुड बी वन वेरिएबल. दोनों साइड भी हो सकता है बट एक जगह पे तो होना जरूरी है. This is an example where we have said that 4x plus 5 is equals to 17. This is the equal to sign. So left of the equal to sign, that means 4x plus 5 is the LHS and 17 is the RHS. So we can see that left hand side पर we have the combination of constants and variables. 4x, x is variable, so 4x becomes variable, plus 5 is constant, so that means 4x plus 5 gives us the variable expression which is equal to 17, that is a constant. Now let us see an example. We have to form the equation. Now अब हमें equation बनानी है, and the question is if you subtract 5 from 6 times a number you get 7. The equations बनाना बहुत simple है but you should know the logic. इसमें words को पकड़ेंगे हम. If you subtract 5, we have to subtract 5 from something. From किस में से subtract करना है? 6 times a number. We said that let the number be x. We don't know the number right now, तो हमने उस number को x ले लिया. X can be anything. So 6 times a number. Times always represents multiply. We have to multiply. That means 6 times a number. Number is x. That means 6 into x. That means 6x. हमें 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना था फ्रॉम 6 टाइम्स अ नंबर. 6 टाइम्स अ नंबर में से 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट हमने कर दिया. नाउ व्हाट विल बी द रिजल्ट ऑफ दिस? दिस इज आल्सो गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. यू गेट, दैट मीन्स इसको सॉल्व करके हमें मिलता है व्हाट? 7. एक बार फिर से करेंगे. हमने कहा इफ यू सब्ट्रैक्ट 5, वी आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 5, पर सब्ट्रैक्ट किस में से करेंगे? फ्रॉम 6 टाइम्स अ नंबर. 6 टाइम्स अ नंबर. नंबर हमने x मान लिया. दैट मीन्स 6 into x is 6x. यू गेट. अब इसको करके हमारे पास आएगा क्या? वी गेट 7. So the equation becomes 6x minus 5 is equals to 7. Let us see one more example. Again we have to form the equation, right? अब equation कैसे form होगी? Let's see. The sum of, we have to find sum of something, and sum means plus we have to add something. किस किस को sum करना है? 3 times x, again 3 times x, this gives 3x, and और किसे सम करना है, 11 को, 11 is, what do we get? We get 32. So the sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32. We have to grab each and every word to get something productive out of it, and that production will be the simple equation. Now let's see, अब हमने equations बनाने के थोड़े से examples देखे, but हम इस equation को solve कैसे करें? The value of x. Let us see. We will use some operations to solve the equations. Operations, when we talk about operation, it mainly consists of, maths के अंदर 4 basic operations होते हैं. There are 4 basic operations. That is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So we will be using this operation one by one to solve the equation. We'll see how. First comes add same number to the both sides. Now we will see that how we will be adding the same number on both the sides to solve the equation. I have taken an example, x minus 3 is equals to 5. Now we have to add same number to both the sides. Let us see how. X minus 3 is equals to 5. We will be adding same number. So in order to get the value of x, I have to remove minus 3 from here. माइनस 3 यहाँ से हटेगा तभी हमारे पास x की वैल्यू आएगी. सो माइनस 3 को हटाने के लिए प्लस 3 करते हैं. माइनस 3 प्लस 3 विल गिव अस 0, बट हमें दोनों साइड करना होगा. दैट मीन्स वी विल डू प्लस 3 हियर ऑल्सो. x minus 3 plus 3 will be 0 is equals to 8. That means the value of x will be 8. Now we have seen the addition. Now let us talk about subtraction, that how we will be subtracting on both the sides the same number. Subtract the same number of both the sides. We have x plus 3 is equals to 8. Now what we will be doing, हमें x की वैल्यू निकालनी है तो हम प्लस 3 रिमूव करेंगे, and we know that plus 3 and minus 3 gives us 0. That means हम subtract करेंगे same number but on both the sides. So minus 3 and minus 3, right? So x is equals to 8 minus 3 gives us 5. So the value of x in this equation is 5. We can also check it. See, we will be verifying it. Verify करते हैं. We will put x equals to 5. So left hand side करते हैं पहले. 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. And right hand side हमारी क्या है? It is already 8. Since हमारी दोनों sides LHS equals to RHS, we both have 8 on both the sides. So that means our answer is correct. Now let's see, multiply the same number on both the sides. Now we will be multiplying with the same number on both the sides, and let's see what we will get. X divided by 5 is equals to 1. Multiply same number on both the sides. So x divided by 5, we know that divided by 5 will be cancelled only if we will multiply it by 5. But for multiplying it, we have to multiply it on the both sides. So multiply by 5, multiply by 5. So divide by 5 and multiply by 5 gets cancelled, and x we get as 5. Let's verify. LHS हमारे पास क्या है? x divided by 5 x को we will put as 5, we get as 1, and RHS is also 1. So LHS equals to RHS because 1 is equals to 1, and therefore we have proved that our answer is correct. Now we will be dividing the same number with the both the sides. Now 6x is equals to 18. 6 is being multiplied by x, and in order to cancel that 6, उस 6 को cancel करने के लिए we will divide it by 6, because 6 divided by 6 is 1. So we'll divide the equation by 6 divided by 1 by 6 divided by 1 by 6. So what do we will get? We will get 6 divided by 6 cancel. That means x is equals to 3. That means x is equals to 3. And if we put in LHS, that means 6 into 3 is equals to 18. That is RHS. So again, LHS is equals to RHS, and therefore we have proved that again our answer is correct. Now we have talked about 4 basic operations, that was addition number 1, subtraction number 2, multiplication number 3, and division number 4. Now there is one more method, that is called transposing. Transposing is something that is shortcut of the above 4 methods. I have written that transposing means changing the sides. Now we will see that how do we change the sides. One basic rule for changing the sides, that is, हमारे पास दो sides होती हैं, right hand side and left hand side, and बीच में we have equal sign, right? So the plus sign from the LHS will go to the other side and become minus sign. Similarly, if we have minus sign on LHS, it will become plus sign in RHS. And if we have multiply sign in LHS, it will become division sign in RHS. And if we have division side in LHS, it will become multiplication side. So, यहाँ से हमें क्या पता चल रहा है that plus and minus will get interchangeably used, and multiplication and division will be used to exchange the sides. Now we have a question here. Now let us see that how we will solve this question. First we'll write the rules in short. We said that plus will become minus, minus will become plus, multiply will become divide, and divide will become multiply. We have p minus 10 is equals to 5. We have to find the value of p, and in LHS what are we observing, that we have minus 10. साइन हमारे पास कौन सा आ रहा है 10 के साथ, we are getting a sign of minus. That means minus को if we transpose it to another side, it will become plus. That means p is equals to 5, and this minus 10 will become here plus 10. Therefore we get the value of p as 15. Right, this was easy. In the beginning of transposing, I said that this is the shortcut of the above 4 methods. So let us see how this is the shortcut. अगर हम -10 is equals to 5 को solve करते by addition of the same numbers on the both the sides, हम क्या करते, p minus 10 is equals to 5. So in order to remove minus 10, हम करते minus 10 plus 10 and plus 10 on both the sides. So minus 10 plus 10 will give us 0, and we are left here with 3 p plus 10. That means the same we have got by transposing. So this was the shortcut of this single step, and यहाँ से भी हमारे पास p is equals to 15 आ रहा है. I think that the 4 methods of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division along with the transposing, the fifth method, is being clear, and therefore we will leave by putting up a question. You have to find the value of x plus 3 is equals to 10 by any method, the method which you have understood, and you have to drop your answer in the comment box. So we'll be waiting for your answers. Thank you.